Welcome! Today, we're turning Dart class blueprints into real working products.
So we've got our dog glass blueprint, but it's just a plan. How do we bring it to life?
To actually build something from that blueprint, you're going to need a special kind of factory. And in Dart, that factory is called a constructor. It's the function that builds your object.
Just think of it like this. The constructor reads the blueprint and builds the final product.
Yeah, its job is super simple. Read the plan, grab the ingredients, and build the thing.
Okay, so we have an object, but what does it do? It needs some actions, right?
Well, these actions are called methods. They're just functions that belong to the class.
Basically, methods are the verbs for our objects. They're what it can actually do.
So a dog object might bark, and a car object, well, it could start engine.
All right, let's look at the code. First up are the properties, our ingredients like name and age.
And here's our constructor. It's the factory that takes the name and age to build the dog.
Next, we give our dog an action. This bark function is exactly what our object can do. Now in our main function, we use that constructor to build a dog we'll call Sparky.
And now that Sparky exists, we can get his name and tell him to bark. Simple as that.
Okay, you've seen how it works. Now it's your turn to be the builder.
So head to Dartpad and follow these steps. You'll make your own person object.
And one last thing to think about. What other method could your person object have?